friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kalpana Singh. Today I am going to talk about how to answer tell me about yourself during your sales interview. See, I still remember my first interview for sales, and I have given then so many interviews for the sales job, and I have taken so many interviews for the sales. मैं हमेशा ये वंडर करती थी why interviewer ask this question, tell me about yourself. मैंने अपना रेज्यूमे सबमिट किया, रेज्यूमे का शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुआ, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू के लिए मेरा कॉल आया। तो इंटरव्यूअर हमसे ये क्यों पूछता है टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ? See, I will tell you why they ask this question, and then I will tell you how to answer this question professionally and smartly so that you get selected for the sales job. So first come first, why interviewer ask this question? Why they ask from us when they have our resume, when they have everything, our details, our education, our experiences with them, they shortlisted us. Then why they ask first question, tell me about yourself? See, interviewer want to know first who you are and how you present yourself and your confidence level. These are the three things which interviewer want to see in you. जब हमसे ये पूछा जाता है टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ, वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद आवर नेम, then our education, then our family background, then from where we belong to, and maybe then our experiences, and something like our achievements. Yeah, it's okay, you should share all these things, but as per the research, first 30 seconds are very important in any interview to impress the interviewer or to get rejected. फर्स्ट 30 सेकंड में इंटरव्यूअर ये डिसाइड कर लेता है कि उसको आपको हायर करना है या नहीं करना है. सो वी नीड टू यूज़ दिस फर्स्ट 30 सेकंड नॉट फॉर ओनली टेलिंग आवर नेम, टेलिंग आवर क्वालिफिकेशन, टेलिंग आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड हॉबीज़ एंड एक्सेट्रा. नाउ सी what tips I will give you is your tell me about yourself answer should finish somewhere around 90 seconds to 1 minute or so. Sometime interviewer may say please answer your tell me about yourself within 30 seconds. So you need to write down the things which you want to cover in this answer. You plan your best answer for somewhere around 60 seconds and then add few things, and you can be ready for deleting few things if interviewer is asking you to answer within 30 seconds. So please plan your tell me about yourself answer in that fashion. If you have the time limit from 30 seconds to 90 seconds, you can well verse answer tell me about yourself. अब बात करते हैं कि इंटरव्यूअर आपको जब ये क्वेश्चन पूछता है तो आप आंसर क्या करते हैं. जैसे मैंने आंसर किया सर मेरा नाम कल्पना सिंह है, मैंने MBA किया है, आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. सो सी फर्स्ट you need to understand this is not you are going to cover in 30 seconds. You need to cover in 30 seconds as per the job description. Suppose it's a sales manager job, and suppose you are supposed to hire the team and handle the team, and you are supposed to be in charge of generating revenue and sales business through your team. Then your answer should be include sir I am passionate about sales, I love to do sales and working with the people, I want to develop sales professional in the company, and I want them to grow for themselves, achieve their target so that I can grow myself, something like that. See, in this answer what they will see, as a manager you are passionate about people, you are passionate about sales achievement. If you are a fresher, for example, you are a fresher just passed out from the college, and then what you can do, you can say sir I love to travel, I am outgoing person, I want to meet and talk with the new people, I want to make new friends, so I feel I am fit for the sales job because this job will give me the opportunity to move around, to travel around and meet with the new people on the daily basis. I love to get the challenges. I love challenges. I love the sense of achievement. Stuffs like that. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपको अपने टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ में आपने अपने आप को फिट करके दिखाना है कि हाउ यू आर सुटेबल पर्सन फॉर दिस जॉब. The best way of doing it, see what is the description of the job, what kind of people they are looking for, and include those all traits in your answer during telling me about yourself, right? So just look at what kind of people they are looking for. If the job description or the job requirement says we are looking for the dynamic, outgoing, mobile people who love to work under pressure and who love to do the targets on month, something like that. So you include all these key attributes in your answer. The best answer what I can say here is, sir, I am passionate about traveling. I love to talk people. I love challenges. I am go-getter. I like to achieve big things in my life, and I feel good when I close the sale. So I think I am the best person for this job. इंटरव्यू हमेशा ये देखना चाहता है कि आप कैसे फिट हो इस जॉब के लिए. What you have which all other 15 people sitting out of the interview room are not having. So you need to reply in that fashion. See, होता क्या है, हम लोग सिर्फ ये बात करते हैं. अगर कोई कल्पना, tell me about yourself. If already your name have been discussed, then do not start with my name is Kalpana Singh, right? The best ideal tell me about your interview should have these three things: how you are fit for the job, what kind of attributes you are having for which interviewer is looking for, and third, your major life achievements. These three things should be there in tell me about yourself. So now what you can do is you write down your points on a piece of paper for the 30-second or for the 90-second. Practice them in front of the mirror so many times so that it will become natural. What we all do, we do the ratification and to look like कि हम एक robot से बात कर रहे हैं. Please be human during your interaction. Allow interviewer to listen to you, ask you the questions. So be as a human, not as a robot, right? Be confident. See, confidence is something, it will help you to hide some mistakes. If you are having some grammatical mistake, if you have some problem in English speaking, these things will be overcome by your confidence. So be confident, be smart, and allow interviewer to talk to you. There should be a healthy conversation and you will get the job. So please do this, and if you have any question in your mind, so please write down in the comment section. I will come back and address them in our next video. So till then, write down your reply for introduce yourself and practice it, and you will get the job. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. All the best.